A lot of people ask if you can hide your followers and following list on Instagram. The short answer is yes, but only in one specific way. Let me show you. By default, when someone opens your Instagram profile, they can tap on your followers or following list and see exactly who you follow and who follows you. Instagram doesn't give a direct toggle to hide this, but there is one option that sort of disables it. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner and head into Settings. From there, go to Account and scroll all the way down. Here, you'll see Switch Account Type. You need to make sure your account is set to personal. If you don't see this option, you're already on a personal account. I'll switch to my personal account to show you how it looks. Once you're on a personal account, you'll still notice that people can tap and see your followers and following. So this alone doesn't hide anything. Now here's the only real way to do it. Go back to Settings, then tap Privacy. At the top, switch your account to private and confirm it. Once your account is private, other people can no longer tap to see your followers or following list. They'll only see the numbers, not the actual list. To prove it, I logged in from another account and checked this profile. You can see the follower count, but I can't tap or view who's inside unless I send a follow request, and that request has to be approved first. So realistically, this is the only way to hide your followers and following on Instagram. Instagram doesn't give full control here, but switching to a private account is the closest thing to hiding your followers list. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and useful tutorials. Stay smart, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.